What's up, Buttercups? How are you guys doing this magnificently golden day? So, a package just came in the mail, and I literally just put it in my house. So yeah, let's go check out what it is. Gilbert, move. Sorry, golden cat, Gilbert. Yep, he's there. He's chilling. He has been loving this box ever since it came in. But this is my new cheap eBay exhaust, which I'm going to be installing on my 370Z after putting high flow cats on it, because you guys were like, get a full exhaust. Gilbert. Yeah, he thinks so too as well. Yeah, he loves exhausts in cars. So, how are you doing, man? How you doing, man? Okay. Roar. Oh, crap. Oh, yes.
How much you spend on the egg?
It's actually like super cheap.
How much was
It was like $300.
What?
Yes. Yeah.
How
so it was $300. I don't know. So it might be the worst thing we've ever done, but yeah, I still don't know how it's possible. But I saw it and I just jumped on the deal. And let's see how terrible it is. I'm literally not expecting much from this.
Why are you changing exhaust?
That one is too loud and it's terrible.
Well, this looks like so
Gloriousness.
Ooh.
Woo! What are you doing? What in the world?
That is some exhaust power.
Okay, Elliot, is everything okay?
No, okay.
Elliot, what are you doing?
My book too big for you, goddamn. Ramming speed.
Oh my gosh, what is happening right here? So this is how the exhaust is gonna look when it's on the car. Hopefully it's good, because yeah, these rust. Oh no, these rust, not rust. The welds do not look bad, so that's good. The first step we're doing on the exhaust is just jacking up the car and taking out the exhaust. So that's what I'm gonna do. I might not film half of it because I don't have a cameraman, but it's fine. It's fine. Garage. Some of you might have forgotten that I even have this AMG, but it's just chilling. It's chilling there while I sort stuff out, because there's like 4 flat tires. It's insane. But there's a project for this car that's coming to a channel near you, or the Golden Drive near you. But for now, this is what we need. So, yeah. Okay, so I just found out that I'm gonna need to do some cutting, because I do not want, I'm gonna have to cut this Y pipe beginning out, because I do not want to go through the stress of removing the cross brace, because as you guys know, everything here is rusted, and so I can't even take out the pipes that I want to without chopping this thing off, or without taking apart this W brace, and I do not want to do that because it's terribly hard. And it's gonna take me hours, so I'm just gonna try to chop it off. You guys can see me, but after a while, slowly when I finally got this part, the Y pipe. Now it's time for the rest of the exhaust to come off. Oh my gosh. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but that is the removed exhaust, and now it's time to put on the golden one. So out with the old, in with the new. I don't know if this thing's gonna fit though, which is really weird because it's kind of smaller than that. That hole is wider. It might fit, I don't know. Let's try it. Okay, so finally I installed it, and now it's time to check for leaks and test, to see if it was kind of hard lining the exhausts up because it's not factory, of course, but let's see if that works. Okay, I'm gonna start it. Oh God. It's quieter. That's awesome. Okay. Yeah, let me rev it a little bit and see how it sounds. It's still on jack stands, but yeah, we're gonna take it out for a drive. Daniel, say hello. Okay. Let's see how terrible it is. Oh yes, this is way quieter. Thank God. Hopefully we don't get pulled over. That's what I'm really scared of. on the first night of testing the exhaust, you actually get pulled over. It doesn't sound bad. It sounds a lot quieter, which is good. That's what we're going for. Oh God. Yeah. That's downshift. It's still kind of noisy, but it's fine. It's still kind of noisy. But like at cruising speeds, it's not like super noisy. Like I can still talk to someone. Before it was like, ah, you have to like shout and everything. So this is not bad at all. But yeah, Daniel, what do you think of the sound?
I kind of miss the old exhaust.
The noise?
Yeah, that's what I liked. But yeah, this is for a commute.
Yeah.
This is a lot better.
Yeah. Sweet. Noise! I'm just gonna... I don't want to floor it because I don't trust that there's definitely cops around here. So I'm not even gonna try to even floor it. But yeah, it just sounds... And I like it because it's not drony at all. I don't like feel like... that like low rumble thing. I would like if it was a bit rumblier though, if that makes sense. And I don't really know of any places around here that's like without people. It's kind of loud. It's still loud.
It's a little loud.
It's still loud. Like whenever you downshift, it still sounds really loud, which is terrible. But it's still better than the previous stock exhaust. So that's pretty much it. Let's head back to God knows where. We just got in and out because we were hungry. I'm still gonna do some extensive tests, like highway tests and all that, but yeah. Oh, hey. How you doing?
Oh my God, I'm so good. I miss you.
Oh, it's been too... No, I'm dirty. Sorry. So this is the next day, and I just want to give you guys a cool start up of what this thing sounds like. It's still really loud. Dang it. Oh my gosh. That's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this golden video. I will catch you guys in the next man. Bye.